Today we are going to discuss about the trigonometric basic functions or basic concepts. First, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta, and sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Second one, cos 2 theta. It can be written in three forms. First one is cos square theta minus sine square theta, and the second one is cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and the third one is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is we can express this in the form of cos and sine, and this one we can express only in sine, and this one we can express only in cos. And there is a special expansion for cos theta in tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. And the third one, tan 2 theta. We can get this tan 2 theta by dividing sine 2 theta by cos 2 theta. 2 sine theta, cos theta, according to first one, and cos 2 theta, we can use cos square theta minus sine square theta. Right. So we need to write the tan 2 theta in tan. Therefore, we have to divide this sine theta by cos square theta. Because to remove these cos theta, we are dividing this equation by cos square theta. Therefore, 2 sine theta cos theta over cos square theta, 2 tan theta, and this one to divide by cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta over cos square theta, tan square theta, and this is the expansion of tan 2 theta in tan. Right. Next, sine a plus b. The expansion of sine a plus b is given by sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Similarly, sin a minus b has a relationship with sin a plus b. We need to get sin a minus b. Therefore, sin a plus minus b. Okay, sin a plus minus b. We are going to get the expansion of sin a minus b using sin a plus b. Therefore, instead of this minus, we are adding a plus and into minus b. Therefore, it is sin a minus b. So, instead of plus b, we are going to substitute a minus b in this first one. So, sin a cos minus b, so cos a sin minus b. Therefore, sin a into cos b and cos a sin minus b, it is minus sin b. Okay, but if they ask directly, we can write like this. According to the first expansion, we can put a negative sign instead of this plus. We can get the expansion for sin a minus b. Right. Cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. But in sin a plus b, there is a plus b, therefore there is a plus. But in cos, there is a plus, but in the expansion, there is a minus. Similarly, cos a minus b is given by cos a cos b instead of this minus we can put the plus sin A sin B. And we can get tan A plus B and tan A minus B by using sin A plus B and cos A plus B, or sin A minus B or cos A minus B. Tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is given by sin A plus B over cos A plus B. Therefore, sin A plus B, sin A cos B, cos A sin B, divided by cos A plus B, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right. We need tan A plus B. Therefore, I would like to simplify this form in terms of tan. Okay, because sin A plus B in terms of sin A, sin cos in terms of cos and sin. Therefore, tan in terms of tan. Therefore, we need to get tan. Therefore, I divide this equation by cos beta. Sin A plus cos beta we divided. Therefore, here cos A sin beta is divided by the cos beta. Therefore, tan B. Cos A is here and cos beta is divided, minus sin A is here and there's a tan B. Therefore, tan A plus B is equal to sin A plus cos A tan B over cos A minus sin A tan B. Right, but we have to simplify this form into tan. Totally, this term must be in tan. So, we have to divide this sin A by cos A to make it into tan. Therefore, this is tan A. And cos A is cancelled, therefore tan B. Therefore cos A 1, sin A cos A, tan B. Therefore tan A plus B is given by tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A. Similarly, we can get tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A. Instead of this plus in tan A plus B, we can put a minus here. Instead of this minus, we can put a plus here. Next important factors: sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta. Sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Next, sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then sin C minus sin D 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine d c minus d by 2. Therefore, sine c plus sine d, when there is a plus between sine c and sine d, then it is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. If there is a negative sign in between sine c and sine d, then it will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. Next, cos c minus cos d, that is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. Here there is a difference in this expansion. Cos c minus cos d, that is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. We have to subtract c. We have to subtract the c from d. Next one is cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. If there is a negative sign in between cos c and cos d, then it will be 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. If there is a positive sign between cos c and cos d, then it will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So, these are the basic theorems in trigonometries. Next, we move to the major theorem, which is used frequently in the exams. Sine rule. Sine rule is used in the triangles. We all know that if there's a triangle is like this, we can name this triangle as A, B, C. If this vertex is A, then the opposite side will be small a. If this vertex is B, and the opposite side will be small b. If this vertex is C, then the opposite side will be small c. So, this angle will be A, this angle will be B, this angle will be C. So, if there is a triangle named as ABC, then we can mark this small a, this small b, this small c. Here small a, small b, small c represents the lengths of the side of the triangles. So in this triangle we can make a relationship with the sides of this triangle and the angle of the triangles using sine theta. That is the sine rule. How can we make a relationship with the angles of the triangle and the sides of the triangle? Let's see. The sine rule says A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. So the sine rule can be written in this form, or we can write this upside down. Sine A over A equal to sine B over B equal to sine C over C. Thank you for watching. The rest of the theorems will be conducted in the upcoming videos.